Okay, continuing on with minor chords. This time you're going to get your first dose of using the E minor alternative, which, here you go, in case you forgot. Your pinky goes on the second fret of the D string. Your ring finger goes on the second fret of the A string. And with this you could pluck all 6 strings. Okay, now however, what we're going to do now is we're going to move this up 1 fret, and you're going to take your pointer finger and put it down, hope that's in focus, right here. Pointer finger covers 3 strings. Okay, so now you could pluck 5 strings, and this is your F minor. So again, start off, if you ever get confused, start off with your E minor alternative, move it up 1 fret, and take your pointer finger and lay it down on the first fret across 3 strings, the G, the B, and the E. You could play 5 strings to make it interesting. And this is what it sounds like. So again, that's your F minor. One more time. F minor. E minor. F minor. Hope that helps you.